Hey everyone, in this video we'll be walking through how to cancel your Kajabi subscription. It's a simple process, so let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to your Kajabi dashboard. You'll find your profile picture or initials in the top right corner. Click on that. Next, select Manage Account. Now, navigate to the billing section. Scroll down a little bit and you'll see details about your current plan, next billing date, payment method, and importantly, the Cancel Trial button. Go ahead and click that button. You'll be prompted to confirm your cancellation twice. Just click Continue to cancel each time. Finally, you'll see the Finish Your Cancellation section. This will confirm your next billing date and assure you that you won't be charged until the end of your trial period. To finalize the process, click Finish Cancellation, give a reason for leaving optional, and submit your feedback. You'll receive a confirmation message, and your account will be scheduled for cancellation. You will also see a red banner letting you know the exact date your account will be cancelled. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully cancelled your Kajabi subscription. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you in the next video.